How to create fake WhatsApp chat. Go to Play Store and install this app, Fake Chat. Open the app now. Tap on this yes and agree. Yes and agree again. Tap on this OK. Tap on this section to change the app name. Type WhatsApp in this section. Tap on this update. Tap on this section to create contact. Create contact. Tap on this section to upload profile picture for the contact that you want to pick. Allow. Select a profile picture. I'll select this one. Tap on this save button. Type in the username of the contact. Scroll to down. Type in about of the contact. Scroll to down. Type the phone number of the contact. After you type the phone number, select online status, online or last seen. Tap on this section, save button. So as you can see now, open the contact now. So as you can see now, open the contact now. After you open the contact, as you can see, it says online. Tap on this typing button. Start typing. Tap on this left side send button. Tap again. Tap on this right side send button. So as you can see now, I make the chat fake. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.